Hello, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and be sure to leave your likes or dislikes at the end of this video. And in today's video, we are going to see about an easiest method to install the PUBG mobile game inside the Tencent emulator. So let's get started. First of all, download the emulator if you haven't, the link's in the description below. Download the installer and open it and let it complete the installation process. After the installation, open the emulator and we need to change the emulator's language to Chinese. For that, we need to click here and click on the settings, and at the first tab of the settings, click on the language selection and select the Chinese language. The Chinese language will be on the top of the list. Select it and click on the save. Then the emulator will request a restart. Click on OK. Then close the emulator and come to taskbar and right click on the Tencent icon. Click the close button. Then we need to restart the emulator again. Open the emulator again. Now the emulator is in Chinese language. After that, click on this button which is look like a joystick, which is the My Games page. And on that page, you will find a plus button on your right side. Click that button and select the APK file that you downloaded. If you haven't downloaded the APK, you can download it from the link in the description. You can also use that APK to install the game on any Android emulators or Android mobiles with just one click. Now the game is being installed on the emulator. This is the actual installation and this is the older downloading session. Just give it some time to finish the installation, then we are good to go. Now some of you guys will ask me that why didn't I use this method before? I used this method before, but the emulator installed the game into the standard engine of the emulator, not in the Turbo AOW engine. So I skipped this method before. But looks like Tencent have made some tweaks in the emulator. So the emulator now installs the game directly into the Turbo AOW engine. After the installation process completes, don't forget to change the language back to English. And that's all for today's video, guys. If you like the video, click the like button, and for more easiest method videos like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.